Right everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a good day. Yeah, back on the farm again this morning, just doing a bit more pest control. So yeah, again this is a pest control video, so if you don't like this sort of thing then please don't watch. Just pulled onto the farm, quite a few birds flying about, but it's a bit overcast and a bit blustery as you can see, so don't know what the shooting's going to be like today, but thought I'd come out this morning and give it a go. There was a few pigeons in the trees when I first came here, so I'm just going to sit in this barn for a bit and see what happens. Some cows in the background, being still as normal, but yeah, there's loads of cover for me to sit behind down here, so I'm just going to get tucked in down here, get my face veil on again, and then we'll get done. Yeah, landed in the trees round here, and there's a squirrel up in the tree up there, look. Right, 2 minutes, I'll bring you back in a minute. Yeah, he's just hopped off into the bushes, so couldn't get a shot for him. But yeah, I'm just going to get him sat down somewhere, tucked in, and then I will see what we can do today. Right, just going to get tucked down again. Just go through some gear, just in case you're new to the channel. Gun I'm using is a normal air rifle, hw99s 177. The pellets I'm using are field target, H&N field target trophy. The bag's just an old camo gas mask bag that I got from army surplus shop, and then just like my firearm knife just in case I catch anything to skin it or take the breast out and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to start being quiet now, and then I'll swap the camera over onto the gun, and then we'll see what happens. Right everyone, had a couple of shots at a squirrel there, but finger hit the branch underneath it. So we'll just sit here for a bit longer, see if what else turns up, and if not we'll have another walk around and go in the barn where the hopper is and the squirrels are normally on the hopper. So we'll try and there again, but yeah, we'll just sit here for a bit longer, see if what else turns up. Some ducks over there again. Don't know if the camera's picking them up, but they'd always seem to be over there. But never mind, we'll let them be. Right everyone, just sat in the barn now where the rats are. Quite a few rats running about, so I've just sat in here for a bit. It's windy as hell outside, so probably just going to do a few setting up in the barns and that just to keep out the weather, because yeah, it's absolutely windy as hell at the minute. So going to be quiet in here for a bit. Squirrel was in here, which I didn't see when I first walked in, but yeah, that rat I've just shot at, Yeah, it was definitely solid at that, and it's gone again. Some reason every time I'm shooting rats, they seem to be able to get away. And obviously that was a pretty solid shot, I think. So I don't know how they're managing to run off after they've been shot. But no man, we'll just sit in here for a few minutes and see what happens. Right everyone, been sat in the barn for a while. Now else has come in and no rats have came out and showed, so I think the couple of shots that we had when I first came in, we must have disturbed them, so go and have another walk around. Go to a different location. I might go and sit in the sheds in the garden and see if it lands in the trees in there. So yeah, we'll go walk up to that direction and might just sit in one of the sheds, and we'll see where we go from there. A nice squirrel there just inside the barn, as you've seen. Nice headshot. So I took some recovering, like it was in all the nettles and that, so I've been stung to shit, but no man. Yeah, it's got a squirrel there. Where is he? Just on the thing behind me there, just let him cool down and let all the fleas jump off hopefully. And we're getting prepared later. So go and sit inside that barn again and see if how it turns up. See if what else comes in. I just shot another rat there from about the edge of the lawnmower, and I've moved the lawnmower back and absolutely about 5 rats just shot out from underneath the lawnmower, so can't find that one now, so and that was definitely a hit. So I don't know why the rats aren't dropping on the spot when I'm shooting them. Anyone knows, leave a comment why that might be happening. I know this is a 177, so I know it's pretty fast. They're going in and out of animals, but surely you should be dropping a few of them. So if anyone knows the reason why they're not dropping or anything, just leave a comment. So I'm going to sit here for a few more minutes, and then we'll see if any more rats come out. Right everyone, it's quieting down a little bit now on the farm, so just going to check the zero on this. Just going to set a little tagger up, just to pellet in. Just stuck a little sticker on it, just so I know where I'm hitting. So yeah, just going to set this up about 20-25 yards. Have a couple of shots at it, and yeah, just see where we're hitting. I'll put a stone in it as well, because obviously it is a bit windy, so the wind is going to blow it about a bit. So yeah, we'll go and set this up and have a few target shots. Right. Going to call it a day. Like I say, wind is picking up and stuff like that. Just a couple of shots, as you can see. Obviously not the best of stress I was on. 2 shots through there and 1 there. So I do need to see the sights on this when we get a clear day. The barns are pretty dark inside the barn, so I can't go inside there out the wind to try and set it up. So, but I have run out of pellets now. That's the last batch of that pellets gone. So I have got another tin there, so when I do come back out, I am going to have to re-zero the gun anyway with the new pellets. Just exactly the same pellets, H&N Field Target Trophy. I was going to get some Air Arms Field Diablo, but I thought, what's the point when these pellets are shooting pretty good? So yeah, just brought another tin of these. So next time I come out, hopefully it's not windy, and I can settle down somewhere and get a good zero on it, hopefully. But yeah, I out about. I had a few shots at rats, hit a couple of rats, but for some reason it's not dropping them, and I don't know why. A few shots at squirrels, missed them, but it is a windy day today, so obviously, you know, man blames his tools, but obviously I know it's not the gun is accurate, so it's probably bad shooting on my behalf or bad wind. Right, I did get a squirrel. You can see through the head there, so yeah, I'll get that prepared off camera. And then, like I say, yeah, gun I'm using, obviously I showed you at the beginning, but yeah, just the hw99s. I think I'm going to upgrade to a 2.2. It's an absolutely brilliant gun, but I think with it being 177 for some reason it's not dropping the animals like it should. So yeah, I think I'll save some money up and upgrade to a 2.2. I might get another one of these. If not, I might get the hw97 underlever, see what they're like, or a Walther underlever. But I think I'd rather stick with the HWs because I know they are really good guns. So yeah, I might try and save some money up and get HW97 underlever, or if not, it'll be another one of them, but in a 2.2 version. But yeah, we'll see where we go with that. But yeah, like so, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Yeah, absolutely quieting down on here now, there's not much about, so yeah, it's all cleared off. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. A couple of cows in the background, as you can see. I don't know if the camera's picking them up because it's dark, but might as well keep them being nosy like they normally do. But yeah, like so, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.